This video we are how to fix Team would not log in with correct email and password. So for this first we need to go to settings. In this settings you need to click time and language settings is there. Click that, and in that date and time is there. Make sure the date and time should be set time automatically. It should be on. Yes. Once after go to network and internet. In this you can see VPN setting is there. Any VPN connections are there, you need to check. Sometimes it not work in VPN, so you need to close that one. So after checking this, command search for Windows Defender Firewall. Yes, click it, and in this allow an app or yes feature through Windows is there. Click it, and click change settings. And in this search for Steam. Yes, you can see the Steam is there. So the make sure it will be enabled for both private and public. It should be in enable mode. If it's not available means you need to click allow another app and click browse, and you need to check the Steam we're having. So for that you need to go to Steam and open file location. In this yes, Steam application is there. So that now click top corner and click copy and paste the address in this, and you see yes Steam, and click open. Once open it's and also click add. So click add means it will add it to this account. So if it's not available means you can do this. If available means you can check it's enable or not, private and public. After doing you need to enable private or public. The next to go to run and click local app data. Yes, in this you need to check for Steam. Click it, and you need to delete yes, delete it. This is a catch, so don't worry, there's no problem. After that you need to go and click properties, and click compatibilities, and enable the run the program as an administrator is there. Click it and give apply and okay. So this is how to fix, and after that you can open and check, it will run fine.